AI is next. And how do we best leverage AI with the technology that we've all been adopting for all these years up to now? And that's really what I want to talk about. What I want to do is explain how AI with CCI products, or a lot of other technologies for that matter, are going to enhance your ability to do what you want to do. Has anybody wanted to duplicate themselves? Like, God, if it was just another one of me, I mean, everybody can raise their hand. What Rick just showed you is basically a glimpse of duplicating yourself so that you can do the things that you want to do. Maybe it's to work on your business more. Maybe it's to go fishing more. Maybe it's to spend time with family. Whatever it is. But AI is going to allow you to duplicate yourself in a way so that you can do the things that you want to do. Customers want answers now. But you're only one person. And don't they want answers to the question at 6 o'clock when you're trying to have dinner with your family, or on Sunday when you're at church or wherever you might be, that you can't answer that call, but they want their question answered right now? Rick just demonstrated that that's the answer. What about your attendants? We didn't spend a lot of time talking about attendants, but I also agree that there's a human element that we don't want to lose, and that having human people in our stores is still not necessarily a bad idea. I have them in my own stores. But AI can help that attendant with the things that they would call you for. You're going to train the AI to make the same decisions that you would make. So you're not just letting it, as I call, go off the rails. You're going to tell the AI how you would normally answer questions so that when your attendant calls, it can provide the answers to the issue. We're going to handle it by phone. So there will be a phone number, and we're working with Rick and his company to deliver this. But we also have some new technology that some of you might have seen on our floor. It's our new X2 kiosk. So it's essentially a self-service kiosk with a large touch screen on it. And we've been thinking about AI for a long time in the development of that. And it also has a high definition AI-enabled microphone built into the front of that kiosk. So that even if you don't want to have them pick up the phone and call you, which is fine, that as they're interacting with the kiosk, they can engage the AI service right from the kiosk and have a voice conversation with it right there. But where it gets special here and why this is smart is that it's connected to the system, which means that it can issue credit. You know, machine doesn't start. We talked about that scenario. And if you have a card system, if they were to call you, you would say, all right, what's your card number? And then you'd go on your computer, on your phone, and you say, well, what machine did you use? Okay, that's a $4 machine. You log into their account, and you put $4 on their card, and they're happy. You just spent the last 6 minutes rifling through your system and do that. Why not just let the AI take the card right over the phone and just issue it right back to the customer? It's the same decision you would have made, and set guardrails up so that that same person doesn't call every time they do that. Because I know you were thinking that as well, right? So guardrails are really important, and there's a lot of ways to put guardrails on. It could probably be better at it than you are, frankly, at the guardrails. Okay? Like, do you keep track of the caller ID when someone calls you? You don't, but the AI can. Okay? So it might even be better at answering some of those questions. If your attendant calls, anybody that has attendants, they have to get their, you put a balance on their card so they can do wash and fold or restarts and rewashes if you have live attendants. And then they call you because they've run out of money. Okay? Why not just call and have the AI say, yeah, I'll put $50 on your call. And remember, it's just going to send you an email and tell you, I put $50 on Mary's card.